There are a few common problems that can occur while installing ArmorCoat. It is important to remember that these issues are repairable. The method shown in this video will help you to repair ArmorCoat in many different circumstances and deliver a quality product that your customer will be proud to show off. This video will demonstrate the repair procedures for issues that require spraying the base color of the vehicle that is being repaired, such as blushing or milking of the ArmorCoat finish, chips that have reached the base color, and collision repair. First, be sure to allow ArmorCoat to air dry for 3 hours or bake if surface has dulled or hazed. If you are repairing collision damage or chips in the ArmorCoat finish, feather sand ArmorCoat from that area and continue repairing using typical body repair techniques. If you are working with a partially coated panel, next apply blue fine line a 32nd of an inch behind the previous line. Mask and begin wet sanding with a red Scotch-Brite pad or dry with a DA and 320 grit. When working with a partially coated panel, be sure to thoroughly sand the edge of the line, typically on the hood and fender caps. Next, remask the vehicle and clean the area that will be recoated with a solvent-based wax and grease remover. Now apply base coat to the areas that have blushed or that you have repaired due to chipping or collision damage to panel. Mix and then reapply ArmorCoat by first starting with a tack coat, then a medium to full wet coat. Be sure to spray the transition line thoroughly to ensure that there is enough build to flow over the previous line. Additional reduction can be helpful to flow product without needing to double coat. If partially recoating a panel, be sure to immediately pull the fine line tape after the final coat. Then shut the air off in 5 to 10 minutes and allow to air dry. Unmask in 45 minutes and deliver in as soon as 3 hours. For additional information and support, contact the technical hotline at 800-433-6903 or visit us on the web at www.armorauto.com.